Already 12:25. How it can be? But it's okay. What I can do. Now I'm zooming the part. If you think that a normal butterfly, how you can draw a normal butterfly, you are going to require one ellipse, which will work like a butterfly body. Then the next will be nothing but eyes of butterfly. So here I'm drawing an eye of a butterfly. If you want to create its copy, create a copy of it. Uh, Zero. If I want to keep it here, create one copy. Even though you're going to rotate it by 90 degrees, it's a circle. So it's okay. So here I am creating one more eye, but these both eyes has to be, it should be touching to the butterfly. Should touch to the butterfly body. I think one of my eye is big and one is small. It's okay. Here. Okay. What I will do, okay, let's copy on the control C, the control V. Let's see. So it will be exact shape. Now here I have created a copy. Two eyes ready. Now later on we will fill with the color, and in that also pupil you are going to make it like a black white. You can do it, but for now butterfly, what we are going to do, it will little bit look like a childish butterfly, but it is okay. I'm trying to make it like an ellipse. What I will do, I will stretch it like this. I will stretch it like this, and then I will give an angle to it. Let me check it. 35-degree angle. It will be a better angle. Click it here. And now you can create one more part of it here. If I want to create it here, actually it has to be like Control C, and I want to create its copy. 90-degree angle will not be okay. I will apply it. It's going to create the other side, so I don't want a 90-degree angle. What I want is 270-degree angle. I will check it. It's that angle, 270-degree angle. So here now only 10 minutes remaining. Very good. Thank you so much. Now I'm selecting both the parts, and see here in the above you can merge all these shapes. So I am here merging it. So I'm combining it. So it will give a kind of feel that it's a you can say I'm going to make it like oval. Then the 35-degree angle is good. I liked it. It will fit it. Then here we will create one more copy of it. 270-degree angle. Pick the tool if you want to drag it. Now see here, one side of butterfly is ready. Within 10 minutes, I think I will be able to draw this butterfly. Now I'm going to create its copy. And we don't want to make it like 270 degrees. Let me make it at 180 degrees. One copy of it. Very good. Now simply move it, leave it, and we will color it. And here you can see different freehand tools are there. From this, I'm going to make a B-spline curve. I like it. If you want to try another, you can. No. B-spline will not be a good idea to choose. So what? Okay. Let me try. Am I able to make it a curve? The whole Pikachu which I have tried is making use of this B-spline curve only. So it is very good. See, Control Z. Skip. Now from pick, you can choose it, only this part. Give me this part. Why you're not? And then create its copy at 180 degree. Instead of here, I will create its copy over here. 180? No. Then it will be 180, 20. No. Which angle it is now? How is that? I thought it's okay. I will try to check it. Huh. So Control C, Control C. I have copied it. Now I will paste it. I have pasted on the same part. Now I'm moving it. That's it. Now we will color it. Only 7 minutes remaining in my hand. So smart fill, colors. Why it is requiring again? The better option is go ahead with the yellow color. Yellow color. Here also we will apply yellow color. I don't like yellow color basically, but the one butterfly which I have shared with you on your Google Classroom is of that color. That's why I'm showing you. Otherwise, you can choose your own colors. Now, we will make it black. Here also black and whoosh. And we are going to draw an eyeball inside this butterfly, and we are going to make it white. Here also choose the color, make it white. Now I know it is very short. If you want to drag it, you can. Otherwise, you can also copy it. And now see, all everywhere you will be able to see a border. See here, I'm going to improve that border to 2.0. In school days, how we used to do it, like border it. But to this shape which is there, internal shape, just remove that border. I'm removing it. And here I'm applying it to 1.5, to an eye also 1.5. I will not give you exactly the feel that you have already bordered it, but to this shape you will be able to see it. 1.5. At least I am able to show you the butterfly and how to draw it and how it is easy to draw this butterfly. I think this drawing of butterfly is clear to you. And now I am lastly simply, as only 4 minutes are remaining. So for that, I am simply showing you how I have drawn the Pikachu. This is Pikachu. And you will be able to draw it. But it requires patience. Not that much, but you will be able to draw it. How you can draw this Pikachu? You can make use of, for drawing this whole thing, for drawing this whole Pikachu, you are simply going to require, I'm telling you what you're going to require, this. Okay, you are simply going to require this B-spline curve. That's it. And with the help of that, how we used to draw it with the pencil, you can draw it. See here, now I am trying to draw an ear of, when you're going to double click on the B-spline curve, it will be the total rework which you have to do. Okay, so calmly, steadily go ahead, and then you will be able to draw it. And thinking that someone is typing something in the chat box window. But are you able to see how I'm drawing it? Don't leave your hand, and you're going to complete this whole thing. Now, one more thing I want to show you is that the part outline of this whole Pikachu is one area. The you can consider this tail. The tail part is one area. When you want to give the different colors like black, white, red color to the Pikachu, it has to be a separate area. See here what I'm doing to this ear. I am rejoining it to exactly, I'm fitting it to the ear area once again. Means I'm redrawing it. Why I am doing it? Because you will be able to see it within a short time. Once you will reach to the main area, you will be able to see this part, this whole part is one, means starting from this ear to this ear. But this middle part, if you want to make a specific color, if you want to apply a specific color to this part, then you need to regenerate it, you can say redraw it. So here the ear area is a separate part. Here also the eyes are separate part. Oval, this is an arc. This part is also different. This is also drawn with the help of arc. This arc, B-spline curve. So start with this B-spline curve, cover this whole area. Similarly, start with the B-spline curve, cover this whole area, and you will be able to feel it with the